Good afternoon, my YouTubers. This is me, Daniel, again for this fifth video for the construction on Laurel Boulevard on January 23rd, 2023. And look at this. They did a pretty good job putting up a wall and such. And the only thing was missing is no more truck over there. Truck was moved to the other side. Yep, see these men working? Hopefully we'll pull it off and we don't have to worry about doing this anymore. They've been here for 3 weeks. Since January 2nd of this year. Well, they're not officially done yet, but they gotta go through the roof and they gotta fix the, they gotta put the gate on there. And right now it's about like 12:30 in the afternoon. It's still cloudy and snowflake coming down. Good thing I was here for those 3 weeks, like catching this on film. After they leave, I'm gonna give you like a little bit aftermath video. I just had to eat the mint. Mint tastes so sweet. It tastes like cherry, like the cherry on top of your cake or ice cream, or a pie. Don't put it on a pizza pie. It's make it disgusting. Ugh. But I like a pizza pie, plain, or pepperoni or supreme. Yeah. And here in Pennsylvania, we don't get no chicken rolls compared to New York. We get like hero sandwiches, eggplant, everything around Pennsylvania. There's a pizza place opened over here on Laurel Boulevard simply almost 4 months ago, since the beginning of just October. And pretty soon, by the beginning of March, Reader's Ice Cream Parlor might be opening. Maybe eating in or taking it out. I don't know. They haven't had a dining over here in 3 years since COVID. Maybe someday soon they'll have it. If they ever pull it off. They did like a good job putting this on there, yep. I hope you like these videos, the one I'm just doing, yep. This will be remembered in 5 or 10 years. Saying that the cameraman Daniel Drevsky had to tape this special event, just like I did with take the pictures, like the trees taking down and just everything. That's for my previous videos that I just did. I don't see the truck. I think I see it right now. Backing it in or out. They want to put up like more things up on that roof. Boy, last week they worked their butts off for putting the like putting up some more tiles and everything for these 3 days. At least we made it to like the aftermath after they left. And look at this. I think they just put up some more things on the top of the wall and top of the world. Like sense of humor. Just give like a little simple close up and what they doing. And look at this. At least they didn't chop down any more trees. Maybe I'll try to plant these trees over here. Trees will just grow back as usual. Look at this, they're putting some more on top of the things. This is the exact color of a barn that looks like out in the farm. We have a lot of farms in Pennsylvania. In New York, we don't get any farms except when you're in Long Island, like Nassau, Suffolk County. Yep, they have a lot of farms there. But we get a lot of farms in Pennsylvania. This is like Mama Popper state. Yep. New York, they just open up things every day, just thinking of money, because they're so greedy. These New Yorkers nowadays, and now you got to worry about people with shoplifting these days. Shoplifting your pharmacy store. Now they're doing it in supermarkets. Now what's next? It's going to be like a retail store, like Targets and Best Buy. And we don't get any Walmarts in New York except for the Green Acres. But here in Pennsylvania, we get a lot of Walmarts. Even the one down at St. Clair's, over on 61. My mother loves that place. So I hope you enjoyed this 5th video of this update of the construction on Laurel Boulevard. And they finally put up the walls. Yep, and it's in front of the walls is red, just like a barn. Yep. I'll see you next time when I give you any more updates about the construction. And please try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other previous videos. Yep. Until then, we'll see you later for more of the little updates of the construction on Laurel Boulevard. Take care and watch these other videos that I made. Later, folks.